Advertising becomes expensive when businesses guess instead of target. AI helps local businesses create smarter ads that reach the right people at the right time. Tools inside Facebook ads, Google ads, and even AI copywriting assistants can help write better headlines, test multiple offers, and improve performance faster. For example, a local restaurant can use AI to create separate ad messages for families, office workers, and students near the area. A cleaning business can test offers like same-day service versus discount for first-time customers, and let the data decide what works best. AI can also help predict which ad creatives and audience groups are more likely to convert. That means less wasted budget and more paying customers. Instead of running random ads, local businesses can make informed decisions based on results. The goal is simple: spend less, reach better prospects, and turn ad clicks into actual sales.